Have you ever wondered if we as humans we can smell each other? And no, I'm not talking about hot days on public transport. Today we are diving into the hidden science of human olfaction and how your nose picks your friends, partners, and even enemies. Humans can and do smell each other, though it often happens subconsciously. While we don't rely on it as much as dogs or other mammals, our sense of smells provide a wealth of information about the people around us. We can smell each other from a distance, with the range typically being a few meters but varying widely based on environmental factors and the strength of odor. People have different sensitivities to certain chemicals compounds. What one person smells immediately, another might not detect at all. Beyond simply detecting hygiene or perfume, human scent plays a subconscious role in social and sexual attraction. Our noses pick up on volatile organic compounds produced by our skin and bacteria, and research shows this scent can reveal a lot. Humans are often attracted to the scent of partners with different immune system gene, MHC gene, which may help offspring have stronger immunity. Studies also suggest we can smell fear, stress, or disgust in other sweat. Certain illnesses change body chemistry, allowing us to detect if someone is sick before they show clear symptoms. Also, like fingerprint, everyone has a unique odor print. Babies can identify their mothers by scents alone within days of birth. And the Eskimo kiss called kunik is actually a form of greeting centered on sniffing other person's cheek to recognize their scent. It might seem surprising, but the phrase there's no chemistry between us is more literal than you think. Recent scientific studies, including research from Weizmann Institute of Science and Cornell University, suggest that we often sniff out our friends subconsciously, while we choose romantic partners based on genetic differences to strengthen offspring immunity. We tend to choose friends based on olfactory similarity. Research shows that people who click instantly, becoming fast friends after a short meeting, actually have significantly more similar body odor profiles than random pairs of strangers. Humans are constantly sniffing themselves and others. How? Often touching our hands to our face after shaking hands with someone new. This provides a chemical data points that help us categorize people as friends or foe. Olfactory preferences differ depending on the type of relationship we are seeking. For friends, we gravitate towards smell alike. A similar scent may signal a similar genetic background or share lifestyle and values, creating an immediate sense of safety and belonging. Friendship isn't just about raw biology, it's also about diplomatic odor, the scent we choose through our lifestyle. We are attracted to people who use similar detergents, eat similar foods, or live in similar environments. These external scents provide complementary information to our natural body odor. Interestingly, the more we like someone, the more we grow to like their scent. Positive social interaction can actually change your brain's perception of someone's body odor, making it smell more pleasant to you over time. Scent also acts as a silent communication channel for emotions. We can smell when a friend is stressed, happy, or fearful. Being around a friend whose scent signal calm can help lower your own cortisol level. This chemical synchronization is foundational part of deep social bonding and empathy. Choosing a partner based on scent isn't just about perfume or soap. It's a deeply biological process that happens mostly in your subconsciousness. Scientists often refer to this as biological chemistry. The most famous research in this area found that humans are naturally attracted to the scent of people with a different major histocompatibility complex, MHC. And what is it? MHC is a set of genes that controls your immune system. If you pair with someone who has different immune system genes than you, your offspring will have a broader, more robust immune system capable of fighting off a wider variety of diseases. Your nose essentially sniffs out genetic diversity to give future children a biologic advantage. Scent acts as a natural safeguard against inbreeding. We are evolutionarily programmed to find natural body odor of close biological relatives who have similar MHC genes, unappealing or neutral, while finding the scent of genetically compatible strangers more pleasant or sexy. Our scent changes based on what we eat and our current health status. Studies suggest that men who eat more fruits and vegetables produce sweat that is perceived as more attractive and floral by women. When someone is sick, their body odor changes subtly. We often subconsciously find the scent of a sick person less attractive, which is an evolutionary tactic to avoid infection and choose a healthy mate. Interestingly, research has shown that oral contraceptives can interfere with this natural process because the pill mimics the hormonal state of pregnancy. So, women on the pill may find themselves more attractive to men with similar MHC genes, typically relatives who would provide support during pregnancy rather than the genetically dissimilar mates they would naturally choose when ovulating. While scent is a powerful subconscious gatekeeper, it usually works alongside visual and social cues. It's often the reason you might find someone perfect on paper but feel no spark when you meet them in person. The way we process scent changes depending on our relationship goals. For short term, we are often drawn to high testosterone scent, which is muskier, stronger odor, or chemical signals of high fertility, which trigger immediate physical desire. For long term, we seek concordance. For a partner to be viable long term, their scent must match their visual and social cues. If someone looks attractive but smells off, the brain flags them as a poor genetic match for raising children. And the comfort loop in a long term bond, a partner's scent becomes a powerful anchor. Smelling their clothing can lower cortisol levels and trigger the release of oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Specific fragrance notes can trigger immediate emotional and physiological responses. Like vanilla is rated as the most attractive scent. It evokes warmth, comfort, and approachability. Musk, often perceived as seductive or masculine, it mimics natural pheromones to signal sensuality. Sandalwood is linked to increased pulse rates and physical arousal. Citrus and lavender, these promote high energy and reduce stress, respectively making a person appear more vibrant or calming. Groomant, like vanilla chocolate, increases trust and comfort. Spicy scent, such as cinnamon and ginger, increases blood flow and excitement. Woody scent, such as sandalwood or cedar, projects strength and reliability. So it turns out we are all walking chemistry sets, sending out signals we don't even realize we send in. If you found it fascinating that our noses might be picking on things our brains haven't quite processed yet, hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm find more curious minds like yours. Have you ever met someone and just felt an instant connection or an instant no without knowing why? Tell me your story in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.